Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your watch, first you need to open the settings on it. To do that, press and hold the crown button. Keep holding it until the settings menu appears on the screen. Once you open the settings, you can scroll through it and look for the option called General. And once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the menu and look for the option called Language. And once you find it, of course tap on it. And here, select the language by tapping on it. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find the language you like, you can simply tap on it to select it. So for example, maybe Spanish. So let's tap on it. And the language will be applied after a few seconds. As you can see, it is applied now. And then if you want to just go back to home screen, you can press the lower button a couple of times, like this. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.